Alrighty, as you guys can see here, this is the finished product. Pretty smooth install.
I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. And niggas actin' they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. And niggas actin' they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. 100 shots, I want them dead. Niggas capped out, man, they scared. Drop that Addy and I'm there. Best believe I'm coming fast. These niggas hate, they really fans. I'm on your block, I want my man. Pop his ass just like a pill. His bitch shooting.
Alright guys, so today what we're going to be doing is installing the IKON Motorsports rear diffuser on my 2020 Widebody Scatpack Charger. They finally got some in aside from chrome requirements. We're going to get it installed. Should be a pretty easy process. So I'll tap in and see how it goes. I'm going to hit you with that cold start real quick. Alright guys, so as you can see here, this is the gloss black rear diffuser. They also have it in matte black, but I elected to go with the gloss. Alright, so we're going to be taking off the stock one here and replacing it with that. Alright guys, so what you're going to be doing for the most part, there is 4 screws like this along the ends here. Alright, and you're going to take those out. And then there's also a clip back here that you'll pop out. Don't mind the dirt car does need to be washed. Alright, so we're going to get those popped out and then the diffuser should pop straight off. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, so as you guys can see, we've got this pulled off now. The screws are really easy to screw out. You can do it by hand. And when you're pulling the pieces out here, you will need to put a little bit of force onto it, but you're not going to break anything. Just pull it as hard as you can until it comes out. And the further you get along, the easier it is. Alright, so now everything is ready to go. I'm going to wipe everything down before I put the new one on because a lot of dust and stuff is in here. And I'll show you how the finished product looks. as you guys can see here, this is the finished product. Pretty smooth install. The hardest part was getting the top piece to fasten back in there. So what I had to do on some pieces was go through and use a little screwdriver to push them in. Pop them up so I could push them in, but that was pretty easy. I also put the end pieces in to kind of hold it in place while I was doing it. But pretty smooth install nonetheless. So drop down in the comments, let me know how you guys like it compared to the factory one. Like I said, this is the gloss black. And they did have it in matte black, but I felt like that would be a little bit too dull. It look a little bit too much like the factory one. All right. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any tips or anything for any older viewers, make sure you drop them down in the comments, man. This is my first time ever doing one of these. So it's not perfect. Well, I wasn't perfect doing it, but you know, I made a couple mistakes during the process, but it was pretty easy nonetheless. So make sure you like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.
See, I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my shot with me. All the smoke in this air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump, it was violent, there's never peace. I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my strap with me. All that smoke in the air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump, it was violent, there's never peace. They swear that they bout it like Master P. Run that check up, no flex up, them rats with me. Got her all on my dick, know this shit ain't free. She said that they gas, cause she wrapped the weed. I feel like I'm Chester, I'm Bama cheese. Try to chase me a bag, now it's after me. No, we not the same, boy, you out my league. We zip to the zoo, y'all a different breed. See, I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so